Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today we got something new for you. We finally got a drag slash. So let's get this thing opened up and check it out. I haven't seen one in person yet. And there it is. You know I had to get that blue one. I like the blue. See what it's got here. Seems pretty nice. Got the Valenian. Here's your color options. Bluetooth ready. So let's get this thing out of the box and I'll show you what it's got inside. Here we go. Get this sucker out. Get my scissors out here. Cut this tape on the end. Nice, got some styrofoam. Oh, there's a wheelie bar. It's pretty cool. Nice and sturdy. Put that over here. Dang, look at that. That is awesome. Of course, you got your sticker pack, and somewhere down in this box, there it is. There's a remote. Too freaking cool. Got the line lock button. So it comes with 2 different wheelie bars, an extra gear, a few other random things, some stickers. We'll put that to the side because I don't care about it. For your body clips. We gotta get that sucker out of the bag. Man, look at that paint. Wow. I love that. That looks awesome. It does have headlight buckets, so you can put lights in there. No tail lights, those are just stickers though. But man, that's too cool. And here we go with this. Thing looks awesome. Can't wait to get this thing out there and drive it. Look at that, there it is. There's the chassis. Got them skinnies up front, nice and smushy. The rears are stiff and gooey. Awesome drag tires. Look at this thing. Nice Wheelie motor, all ready to go. Ready for my battery. The quick latch in the middle. That's pretty cool. 2S or 3S. And that's it. I mean, that's the Slash right there. Look at this body put on it. I gotta put the wheelie bar on, but that shouldn't be too bad. That looks awesome. It matches my tray up there, my magnet tray. That's it. Let me see about putting this wheelie bar on it here. I'm gonna throw some batteries in it and turn it on. Okay, get this wheelie bar put on it. Get that body off this side. It comes with the screws and some extra wheels. And get that cut open. About 2mm. So line up your bottom hole first. I'm gonna get this wheelie bar put on, and then I'll get back with you here shortly. Now I kind of want to see some wheelie action, so I'm going to put it on the third hole for now, and I'll adjust it later on. It's got 5 adjustments. So you can kind of put it pretty close to the ground all the way to up in the air. It's up to you how you drive it. Yeah, I've never really driven them before, so this is all an experiment for me. Getting into something new. There it is. Let's throw this 3S battery in it. 50C. Dang. What a monster. Yes. I like it. I like it, guys. Yep, that's it right there. That's it. Man, oh man, I cannot wait to drive this. First, I need to get my Texas Basher stickers on there, and we're ready to go. Alright guys, well, next time you'll see is I'll be out there in the streets trying to test it out. Figured I'd just show you around it real quick. I went ahead and put my stickers on it and my Texas Basher on there. Thought it came out pretty good looking. Put one on the back bumper too. I think it looks good. I really like this C10. Pretty awesome. Alright, time to get out there and run it.